Here's what's coming up in this episode. Also, be sure to check out my other channel, Streets Shall Provide, art, DIY, flea market, street pick, and all that. And my latest book, Micro Living. It's out now. Pick it up. I'd appreciate it. Down below in the description's the link. You guys know the drill. Hit like, subscribe, leave a comment down below pertaining to this video. What is your dream cabin? What does it entail? What do you need in it? And by doing those things, you are entered to win in a drawing for this cool, maybe I'll do 2 of them, Tiny Home Simple Shelter from Lloyd Kahn. This is a promo book he released a ways back. You can't buy this one. It's an actual book, like there's real print in it. You can read it with a magnifying glass. A tiny, tiny book on tiny houses. And I front a band by the name of Inverter. A lot of people don't know that. Metal band. Super loud, scary, quirky, weird. If you want, not if you want, I will give you, even if you don't want it, you'll get a copy of the new album, album number 3 from us, Inverter Boston and Facebook. Just do those things I said, do those things I said, and you're entered to win. That's simple. Now, the coolest part of this cabin here, we've built a tiny house summer camp, is that it's pretty hidden. We don't show people this one till day 2 on the tours of all the trails here, because it's a little bit of a hike in the woods. And it's right now probably, aside from the giant robot treehouse, we have my favorite cabin on the premises. 2 years ago, this was pre the COVID launch year, we walked in that cabin as well. You're gonna see a couple cabins we pass as we hike back in the woods. Behind me in a second, an A-frame we built years ago. This cabin here you're about to see was built, partly designed by myself, built during the workshop with students. Chris Strathy, the Capable Carpenter. Shout out to him, good friend of mine. Subscribe to his channel, The Capable Carpenter, down the links below. He helped with this as well. Dude's a workhorse, love the guy, and a bunch of others. So it's been a lot of fun. I want to show you what lies down this long, long trail. So for a while you don't see it till you come around this corner. Through all these fern groves we've been walking through, a swamp, a lot of hill work. And over this little hillock here, the cabin starts to emerge. So to reiterate, with a whole group of students, here's one of the things we worked on in Tiny House Summer Camp this year and 2 years ago, with the owners doing an additional ton of work, Chris and Pam.
It really is. So it's a double.
What a spot.
Burning technology. What breed is it? That's a Brio. They're built in Lancaster, Pennsylvania.
Deck was put in more recently.
But this thing will last forever.
Oh, I see. This is a backup.
Yep. But it's just slightly smaller than the one that's usually here. So
Yeah.
and then still, I think we're at probably about 50% after using it for
Doesn't take
3
much.
nights.
These
yeah.
LED lights,
Yeah.
right?
The LED lights draw nothing, so it's really just charging the power tools
Yeah.
that you're really gonna pull from it. So, yeah.
And the dishwasher.
Right. Well, next time we come up, we're probably gonna figure out a couple chairs to build to sit up there and a little side table. Yeah, they have.
Here's a repurposed door. Did I give you guys this door?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm like asking me what was up with it, and I'm like, hey man, I don't know. It's probably a closet door.
I remember this was like from the 1800s. That doorknob's so awesome.
That doorknob's amazing.
Inside, one of the, oops, as I bump into things, one of the cooler wood stoves I've seen, nautical style.
All the windows were free.
As you hear in the background, all the windows were free from a house in the Holyoke area.
On the other side. Yeah, $35. That's all. Yeah.
These are some of those flip open salvage windows I teach people to build. There's a video on that from Australia we did, but we do these at camp a lot. They have exceptional taste in books. 3 books I've written.
Yeah.
What's cool about this couch here, it was 2 armchairs. They cut the center arm, or I think it was falling off of that, and built a mini love seat in this tiny space.
The gapping really, it just adds something.
Jackery Solar runs a couple lights in here, a solar setup. They're packing up to get out of here. Tiny little kitchen prep area.
Just get the wood stove going, just so when we go in there, it goes
Flip open, tough text window.
warm.
It's almost like a bar counter.
By 4 a.m., 3-4 foot.
And overall, it is 8 by 12. That's it. What makes it feel a lot bigger is the fact that it's about 12 feet tall in here. Again, all free windows, sleep loft up there. The cabin's name,
So like the snow will be like up in here and you'll
My contractor.